Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to add a blurred chat wallpaper from your own files on the Telegram app for PC. This is a brand new option introduced in one of the latest updates, and it's a great way to personalize your chats while keeping everything stylish and easy on the eyes. Let's get started. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those lines to bring up the main menu. From that menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Click on it, and then within Settings, choose Chat Settings. This is the place where you can customize almost everything about the way your conversations look. Inside Chat Settings, you'll notice a section for changing your chat background. Click on the option that says Choose from File. This is what lets you upload your own image instead of picking one of the default wallpapers. Now, browse through your computer and select the image you'd like to use. Once you've found the picture that feels right, click Open. Your image will immediately load into the preview area so you can see how it looks as a chat background. Here's where the new feature comes in. Right under the wallpaper, you'll see an option called Blurred. Clicking on this will apply a smooth blur effect to your photo. It softens the image while still keeping its colors and overall vibe, making the chat easier to read while still looking customized. After you've enabled the blur option, finish the process by clicking Apply. That's it. Your Telegram chat background has now been updated to your chosen wallpaper with a subtle blur effect. This quick personalization can make your conversations feel a lot more polished and unique. Whether you're using a photo, artwork, or just a favorite design, adding that blur makes everything look neat and professional. And that's the full walkthrough on how to add a blurred chat wallpaper from your files on the Telegram app for PC. Try it out and make your chats feel more personal and visually comfortable.